Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today it is about the properties of the borax. First of all, we will have some structure formula for the borax. So here, if I'm going to write its molecular formula, we have two sodium atoms combined with the four boron atoms along with the seven oxygen atoms. So this is the main formula for the borax, Na2B4O7. And its structure formula here we can have the two cations of the sodium along with the boron, which is having three bonds with the oxygen. It's 1, 2, and 3. So every boron is having here three bonds, 1, 2, and 3. And this boron is also having 1, 2, and 3. And this boron is having also three bonds with the oxygen. So this is mainly hexagonal type structure of the borax, in which boron is bonded with the three other atoms, and it is mainly having a covalent type bonding like the sharing of electrons, and the two sodium cations just surround there the oxygen ions. So this is the simple structure of the borax, and we have already studied about its three methods of preparation. The first one method was from the boric acid. Then we have its preparation from the sodium metaborate, and then we have its second preparation, which was the combination of the colemanite plus soda ash. So this was a simple preparation. Now we are going to study about its properties. Mainly the properties are we have two types of. First one we have physical properties, and the second we have its property which is called as the chemical property. So let's have a look on its chemical as well as physical properties. So the first one we have its physical properties. The physical properties, that what is its color, what is its appearance, what is its structure. So first one we have borax. It is mainly a white crystalline solid. So its color we have it is a white crystalline and present in the solid state. So this is its physical state. Next, second property we have it is sparingly soluble in cold water, but it is more soluble in hot water. It's mean when we increase the temperature, its solubility in water also increases. So somehow we can also say that it is polar in nature. Then its aqueous solution is alkaline in nature. Alkaline mean its aqueous solution is mainly basic in nature, and it is just due to the hydrolysis, because when we just add the water it gets dissolved. For example, when we have a look on its solubility, if we have just 100 gram of water and we dissolve 3 grams, and the temperature here we just take 10 degrees Celsius, or if I'm going to draw here the beakers, the first one you are having here 100 gram of water and we add 3 gram of borax in it, and the temperature here we have almost 10 degrees Celsius, then just 99.3 grams at 100 degrees Celsius. If we increase its amount to 99.3 grams and the temperature we just go on 100 degrees Celsius, so the saturated solution is prepared. Now we will just allow to crystallize the saturated solution. Then about the temperature we have almost 62 degrees Celsius. Then octahedral crystals of pentahydrate. Now what does mean by the pentahydrate means we have the borax in the form of Na2B4O7 and 5 water molecules along with that, that is pentahydrate, are just crystallize out. So if the temperature is below than 62 degrees Celsius, then the decahydrate is formed. So temperature at 62, we just gain 5 water molecules. If the temperature is below than 62, then we just gain 10 water molecules along with the borax. So this is the main property of the borax. Next we have is some chemical properties. First one is heating of borax. So when we just started to heat the borax, what will be the product? First one we have the meta decahydrate borax. When we started to heat it, we gain here the borax, sodium metaborate, and along with B2O3. So we just gain these three type of products. It just loses the water upon heating, lose the water, and it just swells up into a white porous mass. This will form a white porous mass. This is just due to the explosion of the water. And upon further heating, when we just started to heat it again, then it just started to melt out. So this is the effect of heating of the borax. After that, if we have the borax and we just add up this ammonium chloride in it. So when ammonium borax is heated in the presence of ammonium chloride, we gain sodium chloride. It is the salt. We gain boron nitride, and along with the production of the water molecule, and here we gain boron trioxide. So this is three main products that we gain upon the simple heating of the borax. Next we have the hydrolysis of the borax. When we just do the hydrolysis of the borax, or we just add the water in the borax, we gain the sodium ions and the B4O7, that is borate anion. I have already shown the structure for this, in which the sodium surrounds the boron in a specific manner and forming a octahedral structure. Then we have B4O7 combining with the water molecules, we gain the product that is boric acid, H3BO3. It's the boric acid along with the production of the hydroxyl groups. So this is a simple hydrolysis of the borax, and again then the hydrolysis of its anionic part. So as a strong alkali, we have the sodium hydroxide, which is just formed. Here we have the sodium combines with the hydroxide, and a strong alkali is formed, which is highly ionized. It can ionize. On the other hand, we have here the production of the boric acid. It is also ionized to little extension ionization, because it is a weak acid. Hence, the solution of borax, if we have a whole bone hydrolysis, it is mainly alkaline in nature. Alkaline in nature. Alkaline mean it is mainly basic in nature. So this was the hydrolysis of the borax, or some chemical properties and physical properties of borax. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. And the next topic that we will discuss, it is the test of the borax, that is known as borax bead test, and what are the uses of the borax. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.